Hi everyone, my name's Chris Conlee. I'm the founder of PictaBase. For the last 30 years or so, I have worked as a professional motion picture and television editor on shows like The Flash, CBS's FBI, and Once Upon a Time. The idea for PictaBase actually came from my wife, who was a makeup artist in the industry. She needed a better way to sort continuity photos. In film, we shoot out of sequence for economic reasons, which means makeup, wardrobe, and props departments have to track visual details across stories that could span decades in the milieu of the story, all while shooting in a single location. I realized that if high-dollar productions were struggling with the visual chaos, every other field-heavy industry was too. Whether you're a claims adjuster, a realtor, a construction foreman, or a curator, you don't just need a photo gallery, you need a searchable visual database. And that's the mission of PictaBase. Before we dive in, let's talk about your data. We built PictaBase on a pixel-blind architecture. When you upload images, they go directly from your browser to secure Amazon S3 storage. They never transit our application server. We handle the metadata, you keep the pixels. This ensures industry-standard security and lightning-fast performance because our server is never a bottleneck for your uploads. Let's create a project. I built PictaBase to be universal. We have pre-built templates for construction, insurance, real estate, and more, all using the specific language of those industries. But it's also incredibly flexible. You can start with a blank project and build a custom structure in seconds to fit your exact workflow. Once we drop images in, you'll notice red dots. This is a core PictaBase concept. It means the image is a raw file without metadata. Our goal is to turn these into business assets. You can do this manually, or you can use our AI assistant. Unlike other tools that clutter your library with auto tags you didn't ask for, PictaBase puts you in control. You request a scan for an asset, and the AI suggests high-confidence tags. You simply tap to adopt the ones that fit the job and ignore the rest. For power users, you can multi-select hundreds of images to apply tags in bulk, or you can even set default tags on upload. If you're at a specific job site or filming a specific scene, every photo can be pre-tagged before it even lands in your library. Search in PictaBase is a high-speed two-step process. First, you perform a macro search to pull your subset of data, like horizontal images or specific date ranges from EXIF data. This limits your asset pool. From there, we use visual filtering, which is a visceral, touch-based way to toggle tags on and off in real time. This allows your team to navigate thousands of images and find the exact needle in the haystack without scrolling through endless pages. Collaboration is paramount in PictaBase. Your team members can leave contextual notes directly attached to an asset, so a foreman in the field can give precise feedback to a project manager in the office or vice versa. When it comes time to deliver to a client, you can generate a branded, password-protected gallery in seconds. These links are share-safe proxy files optimized for fast reviews and sustainability, and you can set custom expiration dates and download permissions to keep your data secure. PictaBase is a labor of love built on a sustainable architecture designed to last for years. We've moved away from the subscription treadmill to give you a professional digital asset manager you can actually own. If you have questions or you find a workflow we can improve, please use the support button in the sidebar. I personally oversee our technical roadmap, and I'm excited to hear how you use the platform. Thank you for joining us on this journey.